I'm going to teach you some tricks that you can use for Tifene in the duck walk. The first one is going to be socks. So you don't want to dance with socks, but the socks are going to help you glide easier on your floor, and so that you get that feeling. If you have never done Tifene, this is not going to work on carpet. You need definitely like some solid floor. But when you have your socks, that's going to help you glide. See? Because this is what we're going to do, obviously not standing up, but that's what you want to do for Tifene, is just the gliding in your tiptoes. So that's going to help you with the friction in the floor and for balance. So I'm going to show you how. So you're coming down. Remember, you want to have your shoulders and hips aligned, meaning you're not leaning forward to catch your balance. You need to practice this, right? But if you're coming like this, you begin gliding your feet slow. Small steps, don't try to make them big, just very tiny. And then you can start speeding up as you practice more and more, right? Another thing that you can do is to begin practicing during your day, to begin adding some squats. But I call those intentional squats. Like, you're gonna hold the thighs. Like, for example, if you squat down, this is what I do. When I get down in my cabinet to get my brush, to get my toothbrush, things that I have down in the cabinet, instead of just going like this, I squat down, but engaging. That's why I call it intentional, because when you're doing your Tifene, you're not gonna just squat down and sit. Because if you let your butt be resting in your ankles, it's gonna be moving, it's gonna be rubbing against your ankles and throwing you off balance. So you wanna have like be able to put like a sheet of paper in between, so it's just a little bit up, see? Just a little bit of engagement. But once you're up here, then your butt is not rubbing with your ankles, then you can move for your Tifene. So intentional squatting is that you hold the squat, like even if it's just 1 second, right? Like before you come down, you go here and you hold it 1, and then you can sit and continue doing what you're doing. But you can practice doing that, just holding, or 1, 2, 3, like whatever you're doing. For example, when I'm putting lotion, I'm also like, I go into a deep squat when I put it in my legs. I know it's like silly things, but I hold like this really low, like hips and knees, and I hold this while I'm putting lotion on my legs. So this is just to integrate some like thigh strengthening during your day. Of course, you can do just exercises of holding the thighs, like stretching back, putting your feet hip width apart, sitting back, and just holding back. You wanna engage this. Another thing that you can do is just to begin holding here, coming into your tiptoes and just holding here, and then holding a little bit lower, and then holding a little bit lower, and then holding up so you're still not sitting, and then you rest a little bit and you try to come up again, like holding here, hold higher, hold higher, hold higher. And just like that, those are things that will help you with Tifene. Tifene is very small steps. You can also start, if you want to integrate it, you don't have to walk it yet. You can just, if you want to integrate it in a dance, you just go down and kind of move your hips here, or do a circle, but you're not walking yet, because that's going to create that's going to require you to balance. Another thing that you can do is literally just being in the position here and balancing yourself. Just hold it here while you're doing something else. If you're watching TV, if you're scrolling your phone, like just learn to balance. Make sure that you're not like this. Okay, make sure you have the right posture, which is your shoulders aligned with your hips. You're very, very straight. So those are some tips that I can give you for your Tifene to get better. Trying to include it in every class, every time. Like if you're doing the classes here with me online, and once you're warm up, go into your Tifene, hold it a couple of times, practice with the socks, and that's it, guys. You're gonna build the strength and be able to do it by repetition and practice.